Welcome back to Forgotten Gear Restorations. We're in the midst of a concluding episode of this old Fender Quad Reverb. This one's a 1972, and it just might be my favorite Fender Reverb amp of all time. I do bid you good morning from behind the old bread factory here in Orange County, California. You guys out there, happy Monday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you can be apprised when I'm dumping new episodes onto the interwebs. Take care. All right, you're looking at me reassembling the final bits on that Quad Reverb. And I got to tell you, I just tested it. And this is probably God, if I didn't have to move it, this would be my favorite Fender amp of all time. My favorite Fender Reverb amp, I should say. These Utah speakers are so lively under the finger, so expressive and dynamic. This whole amp, and I do hate to tell you, I had to replace 5 out of the 6 tubes. In all honesty, you can save some money by not having me replace this 12AX7 over at the V1 position if you're not using the normal channel, and why would you if you have access to the reverb and trim on channel 2? Otherwise, I can replace that for you. The gain is abysmal. It's causing the channel volume to probably be about 10% less than the effects channel. Even taking the reverb, the gain stage out of the reverb out of the equation. It's just a beautiful amp. I can't believe how taken aback I am by the sound of this amp, and obviously my phone will not capture the recording of its tone in the way that I'm hearing it or feeling it. And that's the thing. This thing fills the house up with such an immensely toneful and powerful sound. And like the Super Reverb, it doesn't have to be on anything higher than 1 to give you that feeling. But man, when you wind it up just a little bit, and this power section just comes to life. It's beautiful. Wow. I'm just completely blown away by this amp, and talk about just straight out of left field, not expecting. I've heard a billion twins, a billion good sounding twins. This is an immensely beautiful amp. This amp is beautiful sounding. It's unbelievable. So you guys hang in there, and I will I'll get her turned around, and I'll see if I could do it any kind of justice. I doubt it.